Good morning, children. Today, we will learn about works of a local self-governing body and taxes. Children, as you all know, that these are the two topics which are left. So today, we will complete these two topics and we will complete chapter 16, which is local self-bodies in cities. So children, let us learn about the works, duties or responsibilities of a local self-governing body. So there are 6 points given in your book. First is to keep the streets clean, to construct and repair roads, to provide clean drinking water, to install and repair street lights, to provide free education and midday meals to the poor children at school, and lastly, to open and run health care centers or hospitals. So, children, as you all know, that the local self governing body is responsible for providing civic facilities or public utility services to the people of the cities. So, in village, the Gram Panchayat is providing these services to the people. In towns and in cities, municipal committees or municipal corporation provide these services or the facilities to the people. So, the local self governing body is responsible for keeping the streets clean. So, in order to keep the streets clean, cleaning garbage from time to time, so these works are done by the local self governing body. Next is to construct and repair roads. So, whenever a road is to be constructed or an old road is to be repaired, that work is also done by the local self governing body. Next, to provide clean drinking water. So, local self governing body is responsible for providing clean drinking water in our locality. Next is to install and repair street lights. So, if the street lights are not installed, or suppose if the bulb is fused, so all these problems will be taken care by the local self governing bodies. Then, to provide free education and midday meals to the poor children at school. So, children, the local self governing body, they are supposed to provide free education as well as midday meals. Midday meals means lunch. So, they are responsible for providing free education as well as lunch to the poor people who studies at school. And lastly, they are also responsible to open and run hospitals and healthcare centers so that the people can get treatment. They can get medicines, they can consult a doctor. So, for that, they have opened and they run hospital and healthcare centers. So, all these are the works or duties or responsibilities of local self governing bodies. Now, the last topic of this chapter is taxes. All local bodies need money to function. They collect money through the taxes like property tax, road tax, water tax, etc. The government also gives them funds. Local bodies are very important in our areas and we should cooperate with them for their smooth functioning. So, children, we have just now read that there are so many works or responsibilities of a local self governing body. But in order to complete these works, they need money. So, how do they get money? So, children, all these local bodies they get money through the taxes given by us. So, we give taxes, and through that taxes only, children, the different types of facilities are provided to us. Like we give property tax, we give road tax, we give water tax. So all these taxes, through all these taxes, children, the local bodies collect money. Now, what is property tax? So, children, suppose if I own a house, then I am supposed to give some tax to the government. Then road tax. We are paying money for the concrete roads. The government is making roads for us. So when we are using it, in order to use it, we are paying some money for using it. Then next is water tax. We are paying money for the water which is supplied to our homes. So we are also paying water tax. And lastly, children, the state government is also giving them funds. Fund means fund is a sum of money. It's a money. So the government, state government is also giving funds to them. So by all these taxes, children, the local bodies do their work. Now, lastly, children, the local bodies are very important in our cities because they provide us with facilities which makes our life very comfortable. And that is why, children, we should cooperate with them, we should help them so that these bodies can function smoothly and our lives can become very comfortable. So, children, with this, we have completed chapter 16. Now, question answers and short exercises will be sent. Please write it down in your copies and learn them. And I will see you in the next video, children. Till then, thank you.